Hi, this is Lloyd Simon G. Rivera and this is Project 9, which is Autolite. Let's begin with the component. Arduino board. The Arduino board is a microcontroller that acts as project's brain. Light dependent resistor, LDR. An LDR or light dependent resistor is a sensor that changes its resistance based on intensity of ambient light. LED, light emitting diode. An LED is semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current passes through it. Resistors. Resistors are electronic components used to limit or divide voltage. Jumper wires. Jumper wires are used to establish electrical connection between the various components. The Autolite. Arduino project is a practical application of ambient light sensing technology to create an automatic lighting control system. This project allows you to control an LED based on the ambient light condition in the environment. When it's dark, the LED turns on, providing illumination, and when it's bright, the LED turns off to save energy. Variable declaration. Int LED equals to 10 defines a variable LED and assigns it the value 10. This variable represents the digital pin where the LED is connected. Int val equals to 0 defines a variable val and initialize it to 0. This variable will store the analog sensor reading. Set up function. Pin mode LED output configures the LED pin 10 as an output indicating that it will be used to control the LED. Serial begin 9600, initialize serial communication at a baud rate of 9600. This allows you to send data from the Arduino to a connected computer for debugging purposes using the serial monitor. Loop function. The loop function runs continuously while the Arduino is powered on. Reading sensor value. Val. Analog reads the analog sensor value from analog pin 0 AO and store it in the val variable. Serial debugging. Serial print ln val prints the sensor value to serial monitor, allowing you to monitor the light levels while the code is running. Light control. If val is less than 1000, check if the sensor value is less than 1000, indicating low light condition. If true, it executes the following block of code. Digital write. LED low turns off the LED by setting the LED pin to 10 to low. If the sensor value is greater than or equal to 1000, indicating sufficient light, the code executes the else block. Digital write. LED high turns on the LED by setting the LED pin to 10 to high. Delay 10. Adds a small delay of 10 milliseconds between each iteration of the loop. This is done to prevent rapid and unnecessary change in LED status.